Hi, this is the original video, but this is how it can become using our tool. Let's check. Hi, this is the original video, but this is how it can become using our tool. Let's check. And it's all made automatically using artificial intelligence. I haven't made it. Actually, the code decided to make it. And the code is made in Python, all in Python.
You just need this line of code. We specify the path of the video. It's not YouTube, it's still installed on my computer, called 1.mp4. Here you can check it. Sorry. Here it is. And you have to specify a special file. It was previously generated. It contains the information about the rectangles and the name of the guy who has been detected, and his emotion, and audio, because it will be generated with audio. So you just run it. I'm gonna speed it up a little. Actually, you don't need any special environment for that to work. An executable file can be provided, and you will have to enter a similar line. You just need a Windows machine. No need for anything to be installed on your computer.
Hi, this is the original video.
Here it is, it was playing. Okay, I'll press Q. Now, how to generate this file? It's called frames info. Okay, I'm gonna delete it and I'm gonna regenerate it again. Actually, we generated in beforehand. You'll have to run something similar to this. You have to provide a database for the images of the guy whom you're interested in detecting. You have to provide the video path. Source type disk, because the video is there on my computer. Actions, you want the emotion. Now I'm gonna run it again. I'm gonna speed it up now. Now it is processing the video frame by frame to generate the PKL info file.